Easyfinancialcom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for quick personal loans or financial solutions in Canada, Easyfinancial might come to mind, but most people get this wrong by assuming all rates are low and straightforward. The surprising truth is that your total cost depends heavily on loan amount, term, and repayment schedule. Easyfinancial offers loans starting at up to 0. Interest rates typically range from 99% to 59.9% per depending on credit history and loan type. Fees may include origination charges, late payment penalties, and optional insurance. Monthly repayment amounts vary, so understanding the full schedule is critical. What you get: fast approval, flexible loan amounts, and online account management. What you give up: higher interest for shorter-term loans or lower credit scores, and fees if payments are missed. Some borrowers may find the total repayment significantly higher than the principal if not careful. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Determine your exact borrowing needs. Step 2. Check your eligibility to understand expected rates. Step 3. Calculate total repayment including interest and fees. Step 4. Compare with other lenders to ensure competitive pricing. You won't believe what happens next if you underestimate interest. A zero loan could end up costing over $500 over a year. The surprising truth is that Easyfinancial can be convenient, but smart planning and realistic budgeting are essential to get the most value. In conclusion, Easyfinancial provides accessible loans with transparent pricing once you understand rates and fees. Comparing options and reading the fine print ensures your money works for you, not against you.